think you are in control of your choices. You believe your decisions are yours alone. But what if I told you that every day you are being subtly manipulated by the people around you? Welcome back to Mind Wealth Hub. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on 12 dark psychology hacks that are almost impossible to resist. Use these wisely, or use them to protect yourself. First, consider the power of the false choice. Never ask if someone wants to do something. Instead, give them two options that both lead to your goal. If you ask someone if they want to start the meeting at 3 or 4, they are forced to choose a time rather than deciding if they want the meeting at all. Either way, they have agreed to your terms. Then there is the Benjamin Franklin effect. If you want someone to like you, ask them for a small favor. When they help you, their brain justifies the action by thinking they must like you. Otherwise, they wouldn't have helped. It creates an instant unconscious bond. For creating emotional addiction, some use love bombing followed by a sudden withdrawal. First, you shower someone with intense attention and praise. Then suddenly, you pull it all away. This leaves the other person feeling empty and desperate for your validation once again. To guide someone toward a specific choice, use the decoy effect. Present a third, much worse option as a decoy. It makes your original choice look perfect and logical in comparison. You can also use mirroring. Subtly copy the other person's posture and tone of voice. This triggers the chameleon effect, making them feel an unconscious trust and comfort with you. If you want someone to pay absolute attention, use the whisper secret. Lower your voice to a whisper. Humans are evolutionarily wired to listen closely to secrets. It creates an instant sense of intimacy. In some cases, people use strategic insecurity. By giving a backhanded compliment, they lower your self-esteem and make you subconsciously work harder to seek their approval. This is often paired with the scarcity principle. People want what they think they can't have. Whether it's your time or your attention, always imply that it is in short supply to trigger a fear of missing out. The guilt trip trap is another powerful tool. Remind someone of a small favor you did for them a long time ago, right before asking for something big. The law of reciprocity makes it very hard for them to say no. To counter intimidation, use the pause of authority. When someone asks you a tough question, wait exactly 4 seconds before answering while maintaining eye contact. This silence projects total control. There is also the door-in-the-face technique. Ask for something huge that you know will be refused. When they say no, immediately ask for the smaller thing you actually wanted. They will feel a psychological need to compromise. Finally, remember the illusion of truth. Repeat a statement often enough, and it eventually becomes the truth in the listener's mind. The brain often confuses familiarity with accuracy. Mastering these hacks means you will never look at a conversation the same way again. Now that you know how to influence others, it's time to learn how to master your own inner world. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the hidden power of your subconscious mind. I'll see you there.